Hi all of you, back with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you some more basic commands. So this is part second of basic commands. So let me just start my server. My server is already started, as you all can see, and my IP is, where is my IP? Let me see. So there is my IP, as you all can see. So now it's time to copy and open my putty gen and putty as well. So now let me load my key from here, which is your red hat. Where is my key? There it is. Now it's time to paste your IP here and load your key again in SSH in auth. Now it's time to load again that key. Where is my key? Red hat. There it is. So now it's time to open. Now as you all can see, I am in my EC2. I am in my machine. Alright. So login as EC2-user. This is my username. Now it's time to change appearance first. So let me just change setting. Appearance should be font should be, I think, unispace, and bold. Style should be bold, and size should be 26. Now color should be, I think, last time I took yellow. This time I take this. I think white should be good for now. So now let me log in as. Now as you all can see, in last video I showed you, so this is my regular user. Alright, so now it's time to pick how you can identify that you are a regular user by seeing this $sign. Alright, so now it's time to log in as a root user. For that, command is -i, as you all know, sudo -i. Now as you all can see, now I am a root user. Alright, and here you can see root means now you are a root user. You can do anything you want in this machine. So now let me show you some more commands. Let me do ls first, which is your list command. Here you can see that file1, file2, and a new folder which I created in my last video. Alright, so now it's time to show you how you can create multiple folders. I mean that you can create a parent folder. In that you can create another folder. In that you can another folder. So let me show you command for that. So command is mkdir, which is your make directory, which is same as I already showed you in my last video. So how you can make parent folder by writing -p here, which is your lowercase p, and now it's time to write your name of your directory and write here // now directory2, whatever name you want to give, you can give. Alright, now it's time to give dir3. So let me run this command. As you can see that my this directory is created. Alright, so if I go into that directory, in that directory, so now you can see that I'm in directory. If I do ls, as you can see, now I am in directory 1. Alright, you can see directory 2. If I go into that directory, alright, now you can see that directory 3 is there. Now I am in directory 2, and if I go in directory 3, so there you can see nothing. Alright, so last one is my empty directory. There is nothing in directory. So as you can see that, so if I want to go back, how can I do that? If I do cd dot, as you all know, dot represents current directory and double dot represents previous directory. So if I want to go to directory 2, how can I do that? By applying this cd dot dot. Now if I want to go back, alright, how you can do that? Cd double dot / no space in between double dot. Now I am in directory 2 and I want to go to my into my regular user. Alright, so how can you do that? By applying this command. You can see that I am in that directory. Alright, let me do ls. Where is your directory 1, file1, file2 and new folder exists. I hope now you know how you can do this, how you can go back. Alright, so if you want to go to directory 2 or 3, what is the command for that? Cd dir1 / dir2. If you want to go here, you can write this command. So now you can see that I am directly there in directory 2. Alright, so that's how you can go. So let me go back, cd // . Alright, so let me show you one more command which shows your hidden file. Alright, so let me show you one more command which is of how you can see hidden directories and hidden files. So there is a command ls-a. Alright, so now you can see that the files and the directories which are starting from dot are your hidden files and directories. Alright, the blue one are your directories. Now you can see that dot ssh is your directory, hidden directory, and dot tcshrc is your file. Alright, so how can you identify that these are file and directories? You can do like this, ls-l. Now you can see that this is file, this is your directory. How you can find that? Because you can see there is d, and here you can see hyphen. So hyphen represents file and d represent directories. Alright, as you can see, color is also showing here, but this is not a good practice to identify by seeing only color. So by seeing this d and here hyphen, you can check that it's a file or a directory. So let me show you how you can find hidden files on your computer, on your Windows. So let me show you. So if you go to here to view, and if you check this box, now you can see that this is your hidden file. Alright, its color is also faded little bit, and there is no other hidden file, I think. Alright, so let me again uncheck this. Now if you want to check all files, alright, all hidden files with a list, you can do al. Now let me run this command. Now you can see that it is showing all your hidden files and directories, as well as it is showing your regular files and directories as well. You can see here that this dot is your directory, and this double dot is also a directory, and these all are your files. This is your directory, these are your files, these are your directories, and this one is your file. Now let me show you one more command which is your how to create multiple empty files. So let me show you list. So list is your this, there is file 1 and file 2. Alright, so let me create multiple empty file. Touch. So command, you know already, touch is your command. You can write here, let me write file name, let me write any other name, alpha, beta. Alright, so these are two. Alright, you can write by giving space anything else, like let me write abc. Alright, so these are three files. So when I run this command, now you can see that, let me do ls to check list. Now you can see that these are my files are created now, but these are my empty files, as you all know, because these are created by your touch command. Now I want to show one more thing, that if I create a file, with a name of like a not 123, let me write 123, but it is starting from dot, which means it is your hidden file. So if you write a dot before your name of file or directory, it means that is your empty hidden file or directory. Alright, so let me run this command, and if I do ls, so it is not showing. Why? Because this is hidden file. So for that you have to run command ls hyphen a. Alright, now you can see that dot abc is also there. No, this one is not. This one is dot 123. Alright, now as you can see that, because this is your hidden file. Alright, so I think these commands are enough for today, and these are some basic commands you should know before starting Linux. Alright, before starting, before moving on to some important topics, advanced topics, I think this much you should know. Alright, so I will meet you in my next video.